Lovely Sagittarians, welcome back to Tarot Talks. I hope you guys are doing good and are safe with your family and loved ones. So Sagittarians, today we are going to do the collective reading for your sign for the month of July 2021. Please note that this is a collective reading and it might not resonate with all. So please take what resonates and leave the rest, okay? You would also want to check other signs in your birth chart for a better and clear understanding. So Sagittarians, like you are saying, I have already laid down the cards so that I can pass on as many messages as possible, okay? Also from last month I have changed the pattern of my reading. I'm going to do a 5-card spread followed by oracle card, a crystal card, and also from this month onwards I'm going to pull some tarot charms for each of your signs, guys, and I'm not going to look at this charms while pulling, but it's going to be fun. So stay tuned till the end of the reading, guys. I'm sure you're going to enjoy it. So Sagittarians, coming to your energy while shuffling and meditating, it was quite a unique energy, guys. Someone is wanting to communicate, like the cards were just flying out. I had to bend down like countless time to pick up the cards, they wouldn't just stay in the deck, okay? The cards were just jumping. Someone strongly wants to communicate over here, okay? It could be you, it could be someone else wanting to communicate with you. I can see a lot of exchange of messages, lot of communication going on between two people, okay? Lot of communication. And when I say lot, trust me, I am getting lot of communication as the message, okay? I also was feeling quite emotional, guys. I don't know why. Just between the shuffling, I was all of a sudden feeling very emotional. I just don't know why, whose energy I was picking up, okay? Also I had this vision of a blooming lotus, okay? It was such a beautiful vision, and that also made me very emotional. Like it made me think that someone is finally going to see some good days after a lot of hardships, okay? That kind of thoughts that or messages that were coming to me. I am a Sagittarian sun sign, and past few months have been like really rough for me as well. So I'm just eager to see how the upcoming months go and how this reading is going to come. So yeah, let's get started, guys. So the current energy is that of 3 of Pentacles. Now some of you guys are working very hard on work front, collaborating with people, collaborating with the experts, okay? Maybe you're working with a team, and the team size is of 3 people. It's 3 people that are working together. I also feel that someone is working so hard on something or some project. It could be at personal level or at professional level, but the universe or the God is watching you, okay? He is seeing all your efforts, okay? And all your efforts are backed by angels and God and your loved ones, guys. So don't worry about that. You are definitely being watched and you are definitely being taken care of, okay? That is the kind of energy that I'm strongly getting over here. Again, in your immediate future, in your recent past, there is 10 of Pentacles. I see that this is someone getting a lot of money from somewhere, some source, okay? It could be an inheritance amount, okay? Money that came to you through some inheritance, through some property deal. You might have shifted houses, you might have relocated somewhere else, okay? Shifting places, okay? That kind of energy is also I'm seeing, but overall this is a very abundant energy. Maybe some of you guys might have got promoted. That could have added to your responsibilities, okay? That is also what I'm getting over here. Yes, but something that has got a very abundant energy flow in your life is what I'm seeing. Very beautiful energy, guys, to whoever this is resonating. In your immediate future, I'm seeing Knight of Wands now. This is your energy again, Sagittarian. It's a fire energy, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So guys, I feel that you guys are really tired, okay? You are really exhausted because I feel that some of you guys are so exhausted that you are like on the verge of giving up, okay? But I would say no, don't give up, okay? See this girl coming out of this tunnel. I feel that this is the angel coming out of the tunnel and wanting or offering you this help. So I really feel that you should not give up. Definitely Nine is coming to a closure of some cycle, okay, and after every closure there is a new beginning, so you are just about there, so just hang in there is what I'm getting over here, guys. Yeah, the energy in the blocking position is that of Knight of Cups clarified by Page of Pentacles. Again, two very young energies over here. I feel that you guys are going to get some message from someone both at personal and professional front, okay. Message, mail, something that you are not expecting, but if on the personal front, talking of personal front, someone is going to come and express their feelings towards you, okay. Look at this knight, he is holding his cup in his hands, okay. I hope you can see it, and this cup is like, cup is significant or symbolic of emotions, okay. This knight is full of emotions towards you and is wanting to express these emotions towards you, okay. He or she, take however it resonates. And this Page of Pentacles, again a very young energy, but this I feel is the communication coming from work front, some message, some mail. If you are looking for a new job, new career opportunity, you might end up getting that job or that interview call or that message, whatever that you have been so patiently waiting for and are about to give up. So just hang in there, guys, you don't have to give up is what I'm getting. The energy at the advice level is that of King of Swords. Now interestingly, I am not at all surprised to see this card, because the energy that I was strongly getting for you guys while pre-shuffling was that of communication, okay. So I feel that there is a need for clear communication, okay. Whatever messages or whatever mails or whoever is going to approach you, make sure that you put your point correctly, assertively, and in no unclear terms, okay. Clear communication, clear expression of thoughts is what is required, is what I am getting over here, because this card has come in the advice field position, guys. Your overall energy is extremely interesting, guys. 8 of Wands, I had seen this card couple of times while shuffling also, and like I said, this reading is through and through talking about communication. There is going to be lots of exchange of messages between two people is what I'm seeing over here, okay. This could also be physical communication, traveling from one place to another. Either you are going somewhere or someone is going to come and see you. You might be relocating somewhere, maybe for personal reasons or maybe for professional reasons, okay. Shifting, relocating for career purpose. It could also indicate overseas travel for some of you guys, but yes, definitely a lot of communication in whichever way this is resonating with you, okay. Yeah, Justice card, yes, definitely, like I mentioned, that I think that someone is arriving or getting something finally after a lot of hardships, okay. Justice is finally being served, guys. Whatever paperwork that you have been waiting for so far, know that you are going to get that. I feel that some of you guys have cracked a property deal somewhere, okay. I also feel that if you are waiting for a new job offer, okay, then know that you'll get that offer through, you'll get those papers finally, okay. I also feel that if you have if you are into some legal or if you have any legal case open, again you'll get those papers, that case will come to completion, you'll get your results, the result, and in all probability is going to be in your favor, okay. Whatever legal documentation is pending so far, you're going to get that, is what I'm getting. Definitely you're going to get justice in whichever form it is. Queen of Pentacles, yes, I feel that it's you who is embodying this energy. I strongly feel that you are dealing with a fellow fire or earth sign, okay. You might have earth also in your chart, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. I have Capricorn, by the way, in my chart, so yes, definitely making sense. So this is you who is in her full control, okay. No, now please bear in mind, it's not a gender specific reading, energy is what I'm reading, okay. Someone is in full control of himself or herself, taking care of finances, being very mindful, being very mature, offering, lending support to others, as well as taking care of his or her well-being, okay. A holistically mature energy is what I'm getting over here. Sagittarians, you are showing up in your own reading. Now this card had literally jumped out of the deck when I was shuffling, okay. You definitely wanted to show up in this reading, guys. Temperance card, it is again Justice card and Temperance card. both are going hand in hand. See, the temperance definitely have angel wings right away, but if you see the justice card as well over here, they have some wings over here, okay, a pattern of wings. I strongly feel that you are going to finally get whatever you desired, okay. And I know the journey or this achievement or this success was not an easy journey. It was definitely full of hardships, and but finally you are getting there. So the universe is asking you to just be patient, okay. Nine of Wands, remember, don't give up, just hang in there, just be patient. A little more patience is expected from you guys, okay. You are just about there, because wish fulfillment is also what I kept on seeing, okay. Someone is about to have their wishes come true, okay. So yeah, also try to meditate, guys. If you are feeling too wobbly, if you are feeling too impatient, try to meditate and calm down and balance out, okay. That's the kind of message I'm getting over here. Yeah, didn't I say you? Ace of Pentacles, Ace of Cups and Ace of Swords. Oh my goodness, Sagittarians, you are killing it. Like 3 aces at a stretch. I mean, this is the first time in this month I'm pulling this kind of a reading, okay. You guys definitely have new beginnings in whichever aspect that you are thriving for, okay. New beginnings in terms of career, new beginnings in terms of relationship, new beginnings in general, okay. New ideas, new thought processes, creative juices flowing out. They are being creativity taking shape into some concrete projects, okay. New assignments coming your way, new business opportunities coming your way, new career opportunities coming your way that are extremely prosperous. Not only that, new love coming your way, guys. That is going to be very, it's going to be a dream come true kind of an opportunity, okay. Take it in the regions that they are resonating with you. It could be at career level or it could be at personal level, but lovely and lovely energy is what I can say. I mean, I'm just gushing, and I, being a Sagittarian myself, I can't wait to see these transitions happening in my own life. Okay, just kidding. So the overall energy is that of break free. I just love when I get this card somehow, guys. I absolutely love it. Try different ventures and experiences as a way to grow and learn. Wow, I definitely feel this message is for me, because sometimes I feel I'm kind of being stuck in certain areas of my life, and the universe is definitely asking me to change. But anyway, coming back to you guys, break free, yes. To whoever this resonates, guys, try to explore new options, try to explore life in general. Bright, abundant, prosperous new beginnings are waiting for you guys. So don't remain stuck, okay. Just go and explore the life is what I'm getting. Beautiful energy, like just beautiful energy. The crystal that I have pulled for you guys for this month is rhodochrosite. What a name, rhodochrosite. It's a lovely color and crystal, but let's see what it has, what message it carries. Guys, this has a very beautiful and a very unique message. I'm going to read the card out for you guys. So rhodochrosite teaches the heart to assimilate painful feelings without shutting down, dissolving denial and identifying ongoing detrimental patterns. It offers compassionate love and forgiveness. You face the truth with loving awareness. Deep down, you feel alienated, unloved, or unappreciated. A history of sexual or emotional abuse creates disease, or you may have misused or feared your sexual power in the past. You may be repressing something you do not want to face. Irrational fears and paranoia and unacceptable emotions need to be acknowledged and transformed. Time for a change of viewpoint. Begin to seek the gifts in your experiences rather than seeing the negative effects. Check out whether you were taught in childhood, whether what you were taught in childhood is still relevant to the person you are today. Releasing resentment from your heart creates well-being. Okay, so the soul path is radiating unconditional love and selfless compassion. What a beautiful message. It's a very unique message. I'm sure it's not going to be resonating with all, but to whoever it resonates, well, what it's being communicated very strongly by the guide. So yeah, like promised, I'm going to pull some tarot charms for you guys. I'm not looking at this charm while I'm pulling, and I'm so excited. What messages do we get for Sagittarians? Okay. So I'll go with this one. What else? I'll go with this one. It's a very cute small one. Feeling is good. I mean, I don't know what it is. I would like to go with this one, and I want one more please. Yeah, okay. So yeah, let's see. Okay, oh my goodness, guys, what else, what confirmation do you want? What more confirmation? Never give up. I have been repeating this throughout this reading. You are in this nine of wands energy, very tired, exhausted, and wanting to give up. But the universe is yet again confirming, never give up. And especially after seeing these three S's at a stretch, I'm sure you don't want to give up either, guys. Life is a gift. Wow. I think I spoke about this line in this reading, right? You should enjoy your life. I don't know if it was in this reading or earlier reading. Life is a gift, guys. Enjoy it. I mean, I know there are hardships, but well, you should take it with a pinch of salt and just keep on enjoying the gift called life. Okay, we have very small period over here anyway. So yeah, the charm says, okay, God has given you one conception and make yourselves another. God has given you one conception and make yourselves another. I don't know, whatever that means. I don't know what this charm means. I'll leave it at that because I'm really not understanding. God has given you one conception and make yourself others. I don't know. I am sorry about that. I really don't know what message it is giving. Strong is beautiful. Yes, of course. Yes. Especially if you have gone through a lot of hardships, guys. And I'm sure you have braved all the hardships, and the new beginnings are all what you truly have earned and deserve. So yes, stay strong, stay beautiful. It's a lovely charm. A lovely charm and a lovely message. So Sagittarians, it was a lovely reading, and I am so happy and excited to know what happens in your life, guys. If this is your story, if any of this resonates with you, please give the video a thumbs up, drop comments, share your experiences, share feedback of this pattern, this reading. Okay, last but not the least, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. Okay guys, I'll see you next month directly. Now till then, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye, take care.